Welcome to the video lectures. Today we are going to see about the engineering surveys for the highway location. So before highway alignment is finalized in highway project, the engineering surveys are to be carried out. The various stages of engineering surveys are map study, reconnaissance study, survey, preliminary survey, final location and detailed surveys. First, the map study. From the map, alternate routes can be suggested in the office if the topographic map of that area is available. The probable alignment can be located on the map from the following details available on the map. Avoiding valleys, ponds or lakes, avoiding bends of the rivers. If road has to cross a row of hills, possibility of crossing through the mountain pass. Map study gives a rough guidance of the routes to be further surveyed in the field. Next, reconnaissance survey. To confirm the features indicated on the map, to examine the general characteristics of the area and field for deciding the most feasible route for detailed studies. A survey party may inspect along the proposed alternate routes of the map in the field with very simple instrument like Abney level, tangent clinometer, barometer, etc. to collect additional details. The details to be collected for alternate routes during the surveys are valley, pond, lakes, marshy land, hill, permanent structure and other obstructions. Value of gradient, length of gradient and radius of curve. Number and types of cross drainage system, high flood level, soil characteristics, geological features, source of construction materials, stone quarries, water sources, etc. Prepare a report on merits and demerits of different alternative routes. As a result of different alternative alignments may be chosen for further based on practical consideration observed at the site. Preliminary survey. The objective of preliminary surveys are to survey the various alternative alignments proposed after the reconnaissance and to collect all the necessary physical information and detail of topography, drainage and soil. To compare the different proposals in the view of requirement of good alignment, to estimate the quantity of earth materials and other construction aspects and to work out the cost of the alternate proposals. Methods of preliminary survey. Conventional approach. Survey party carries out the surveys using the required field equipment, taking measurements, collecting topographical and other data and carrying out the soil survey. Longitudinal and cross-sectional profile. Plain terrain 100 to 200 meters, rolling terrain 50 meter, hilly terrain 30 meter. Other studies includes drainage, hydrological survey, soil survey, traffic and material survey. Next is the modern rapid approach. By aerial survey, taking the required aerial photographies for obtaining the necessary topographic and other maps including details of soil and geology. Finalize the best alignment from all the consideration by comparative analysis of the alternate routes. Final location and detailed survey. The alignment finalized at the design office after the preliminary survey is to be first located on the field by establishing the central line. The location survey. Transferring the alignment onto the ground, this has to be done by the transit theodolite. Major and minor control points are established on the ground and center pregs are driven, checking the geometric design requirements. Central line stacks are driven at suitable intervals, say 50-meter interval in plain and rolling terrain and 20 meter in hilly terrains. Detailed survey. Temporary benchmarks are fixed at intervals of about 250 meter and all drainage and underpass structure. Earthquake calculations and drainage details are to be worked out from the level books. Cross-section levels are taken at intervals 50 to 100 meter in plain terrain, 50 to 75 meters in rolling terrain, 50 meter in build-up area and 20 meter in hill terrain. Detailed soil survey is to be carried out. CBR value of the soils along the alignment may be determined for design of pavement. The data during the detailed survey should be elaborated and complete for preparing the